laziest way to make money online with AI as a beginner? Well, it's exactly what this guy is doing. He created a simple AI video, something literally anyone can do, and I'm gonna show you how in this video, and then posted it with this message. Do you want my $5 course on AI filmmaking? Can you guess how many people signed up for that? 4,900. That means nearly 5,000 people are actively paying him $5 a month. And yes, it's monthly. When you go to join his community, it's not just a one-time $5, it's $5 every month. You know, most people don't think twice about it. And that's almost $25,000 a month. And it came from a very simple content strategy. And it does not stop there, guys. He funnels people from the low ticket offer into a higher ticket community, which makes him right now $20,000 a month. So here's the best part. That initial $5 offer, once set up, his system runs with very little ongoing effort. And in this video, I am going to show you how to do this yourself and make it your own, even if you have never made a video or used AI before. So in today's video, this is how it's gonna go down. I'm gonna show you how to create realistic AI videos using Canva. Yes, Canva, that look like this.
Hey, have you subscribed to Whitney's YouTube channel yet?
The exact prompt I use and a framework that you can copy. Most importantly, we're going to talk about how do you make money from this. So you guys ready to get into it? Let's go. So first, if you have Canva Pro, you now get access to VEO3. Google's new AI video tool. So it generates short, realistic video clips using text prompts. So let me show you quickly on the computer how to get access to this. So once you're on Canva, there's two ways to get to this. You go to either Canva AI over here, or you can scroll down over here to the Canva AI. So once you get to Canva AI, this is what you have to do. You go to create a video clip. And once you click on that, then they give you different options that you can have. So you can use a different style, different aspect ratio. Right now, you can only do 16:9, which is good for YouTube videos, Facebook posts. The 9:16 is more for mobile friendly, but you can still use mobile for this, which I'm gonna show you an example. Also, the duration right now, it only allows you to do 8 seconds, but that's gonna come soon, how you can do it longer. Also, you can do some framing here. You can do wide shots, medium shots, and also the lighting are things you can manipulate. So the thing that you need to do is create a prompt. The prompt is the key. This is the secret to getting it. Here's a very detailed prompt that I did, and I'm gonna give you the exact copy of this so you can use this and the framework to create your own. But this is the video that I created.
Hey, have you subscribed to Whitney's YouTube channel yet? With all this value and you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing?
Like, isn't that really good? Like, this gave me the motivation to do so much. And we were having our church drive-through prayer coming up, and I had to do a quick promo, so I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do it. So I used Canva AI to create 2 short clips. So here's an example of the first 8-second clip that I did.
When's the last time someone prayed with you? Come through this Saturday at TDC for drive-through prayer. You don't even have to get out the car.
Then I edited it for Instagram and Facebook, and see how it turned out here.
When's the last time someone prayed with you? Come through this Saturday at TDC for drive-through prayer. You don't even have to get out the car. We'll be there from 10 to 12 p.m. and grab a free tasty treat while you're at it.
So do you see how this is a game changer? As the tech improves, you won't be able to tell the difference from real footage or fake. And it's crazy. So if you want more than 5 clips, you're gonna need to upgrade to Google's AI plan. Now, another cool thing inside Canva that most people don't know about is this app called TryOn. It lets you digitally try on clothes in photos or videos. No studio, no camera, no lighting needed. Just Canva and AI. So here's what I did. I went to Canva and then I went to apps. I searched for TryOn and created an account that I had to pay $2 for to get credits to swap on clothes. So I uploaded a pic of myself, and then I dropped in a screenshot of a shirt from online that I got. I did this for just the tutorial. Hit try on and boom, virtual photo shoot. Now, when you do this, you're supposed to use a standing photo for better results. I use a sitting one just to show you quickly how it works, but isn't this cool? This is perfect for content creators, affiliate marketers, or literally just anyone showcasing products without filming. Now, this next trend you need to know about because it is exploding, and that's creating an AI twin. So just this morning, I saw a girl post in a Facebook group who said, who can I pay to make an AI twin? And I get it. The first versions I tried looked nothing like me, and the frustration is real. It had me saying, is that really how I look? You know, it was really bad, but after testing a few tools, I finally created one that I actually like. So it's good to learn from someone who has actually done this to save you a lot of time and frustration. So why do people want AI twins? Because they can make videos for you. Like no camera, no filming, no showing up. It's the ultimate content shortcut. So the question now is, how do you make money from all of this knowledge? And there are two ways. One of them is lazy. The other one will require you to do some work. So I'm gonna share both of them with you. So I'm gonna start with the one that's not so lazy, which is option one. You can offer a done-for-you AI service. So you can offer services like AI twin creation, a Canva video mockups, and content creation for creators and business owners. Now, the one thing most business owners hate, and they can all agree on this, is that they hate doing content. They don't want to create it. And they'll gladly pay someone else to do it, like the girl I just mentioned earlier, who's looking to pay someone to create her AI twin. Option number two, sell a $5 or $10 AI course. Model what this guy did. Use AI to create engaging short videos, then offer a simple course or guide based on how you did it. Create some cool AI videos, post them online and say, want to learn how I did this? Grab my $10 AI course. You could call it the AI twin course or AI video course or just a general AI content creation course. Set it up inside a platform like Go High Level, which lets you host your own branded community just like school. But with Go High Level, you get way more features. And this is the best part, guys. I have an extended 30-day free trial link with Go High Level, which is the platform I personally use. Now, normally the trial that they give you is just 15 days, but with my affiliate link, you get double the time. And full disclosure, if you sign up with my link, I do earn commission. It doesn't cost you anything extra in return. And in return, I'm going to give you all the tutorials and tools to help you hit the ground running. So I've used Go High Level for years now at this point, and I don't use it just to build communities. I also create all of my landing pages here. I run my automations. I host my courses on here. And I manage over 7,000 people inside my Facebook group inside here as well, and email lists. No, it gives you way more than school for less money. So if you decide to sign up using my link, just let me know. I'm gonna send you my free setup tutorial for Go High Level, step-by-step instructions to create your own AI twin, my exact prompt library, and a walkthrough on how to build your own paid community or course using AI. So everything I mentioned today is gonna be in my free guide that's gonna include that prompt that I talked about earlier. So step one, download the guide. Step two, comment I'm in, or I want to just see who is sticking around until the end of my videos. I love to see who stays until the end. Like, where are you? Who are you? Let me know. And if you guys like this video, YouTube is telling you that this one is going to be even better. So check this one out and let me know how you like it. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day.